Words with similar sounds. Went, want, won't. Went, went. Want, want, won't, won't. Went, want, won't. So what's the difference in meaning? Want is when you need something or desire something. I want to learn English. I want a good job. I don't want to fail my exams. I want extra homework. And then you've got won't. This is the negative of future simple. Will not is the same as won't. I will do my homework. I will not forget, or I won't forget. And then finally we have went. Went is the past simple of go. I go to the supermarket every Saturday. I went to the supermarket last Saturday. So there you have it, 3 words that sound very similar and how to say them correctly.